Welcome to FCG Power Industries. In this video, we will discuss about flame-proof local control station, or commonly known as push button station. The material of construction for this FLP push button station will be cast aluminum alloy, and type of protection is flame-proof as per IEC 60079, and protection will be IP65 as per IEC 60529. This flame-proof push button station can be used in gas group 2A, 2B as well as 2C for zone areas 1, 2 and as well as 21, 22, etc. And we are having certificates like CMFR, PSO and BAS for this push button station. More technical, there will be two cable entries as you are seeing in the picture. Generally 3/4 inch ET. If client request for M20 or half an inch NPT, that also we can provide. And this one is indirect type, where the terminals will be available in separate box, because nowadays direct type push button station, due to some technical and as well as handling problem, most of the clients are interested in this indirect type push button station, which is coming with padlock emergency stop, which is must for pharma and oil and gas sectors, because without this padlock arrangement, it may end in some tragedy. So we are providing with the start and as well as emergency stop padlock arrangement. And this, if you require cable gland and stop plug, that also we can provide with materials brass, nickel plated, SS, aluminum, whichever you like. But while sending, if you mention it, we will arrange offer for that. This is our basic model. In local control station or push button station, we are having around 20 types. Like if you want two start stop and one padlock arrangement, also that we can provide, or with ammeter, or with selector switch, or only with selector switch. Like that, n number of combinations we are having. If you need any panels, that also we can provide. Distribution board for lighting, electrical, anything with MCBs, that also you can provide. Anyway, regarding this push button station, that's it. If you need more technical like GA drawing, you want dimensions and installation procedure, you can contact me. So I will send those details, which will be helpful to conclude whether this is suitable for your plant or industry, anything like that. And paint sheet, generally we are providing light gray 631, that is standard for 2A to B. For lemon gray, we will lemon that shade for 2C. But if client like you, if you people are interested in some other color, that also we can provide. No issue in this. Okay, and we are providing warranty from 18 months of supply and 12 months from the date of installation. Same market, everyone is providing like that only. So if you want anything like earthing, will be 2 numbers outside and 1 number inside. So everything we are compensating with that IEC 600791 2007 standard, which is the latest standard issued by the agencies. So, the delivery for this product will be almost 2 to 3 weeks, and with respect to quantity also it will differ, as you all aware. The quantity is below 100, we can provide it in within 15 days, like that. If it is more than that, it may take a month or like that. Okay. If you are interested, kindly contact me through mail or call me. I am available in WhatsApp also. We can discuss technical. If you want more, if you want to speak with your engineers also, I am ready to speak. If you want samples also, we are ready to send. So FCG is not new to this business. We are in this business for since 1998. So product wise, warrant quality will be number one. No compromise in quality. So that's it about this flameproof push button station, and we will discuss with some other product in next video. Thank you.